Hello, this is Isabelle Cote, presenting my social innovation project on the Lanark County Housing Shortage Campaign. Lanark County encompasses major communities in Ontario: Carleton Place, Smith Falls, Perth, Mississippi Mills, Beckwith, Montag, Drummond North Elmsley, Tay Valley, and Lanark Highlands. Some local residents and organizations are working hard to find solutions to overcome this emergency. For example, the Table Community Food Center is providing food and meals to the needy and also serves as a food bank in Perth and surrounding areas. And Plan B, who also prepare meals and preserves, have opened a soup kitchen for the needy to meet and spend time together. A 20-unit community housing is presently being built in Carleton Place and plans to be ready for occupancy by the spring of this year. These rural areas are experiencing housing shortage as the population is getting older, which means expensive health services, properties that become in need of expensive repair, which they are unable to do themselves due to advanced age and disability. There has been a rise in mortgages and rent that makes middle and low-income residents unable to afford. According to the 10-year 2018 Housing and Homelessness Program Strategy Direction, Lanark County has done a great deal to help, looking at increasing the supply of affordable homes, diverse range of housing choices, educating the community on housing needs, and more. But what can be done in the meantime? The following strategies could serve as short-term and long-term solutions. A thorough and honest study of the real socioeconomic roots of the crisis. By looking at the true cause, one can better understand the problem and create a more efficient and effective plan of action. A research proposal can be used for conducting research and collecting data to establish A, the heart of the issues concerning the housing shortage, B, the informational resources needed to find solutions to the issue, and C, the financial resources that would be needed to resolve the issue. Community education and outreach through regional meetings via Zoom, Skype, and FaceTime, as well as raising awareness through social media such as TikTok and Twitter. A team of technically savvy students would conduct interviews with the residents, organizations, and local businesses who would like to share their stories and opinions regarding the housing shortage and how it affects them, their families, friends, and neighbors. Then, with their documented consent, we create videos and posters to be distributed across the media, like on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and so on, to bring national attention to the issue and hopefully get more engagement from communities and people in the province. Another goal to these videos would be to make enough noise to get provincial and federal government's attention in order to receive some financial support. Partnering with local businesses to help finance affordable housing, offering them free publicity and public appearances, for example, as part of our videos. Proposing them to volunteer some of their employees, their time, their materials to build quality, temporary housing for those who can no longer afford rent or mortgages, while the building of proper homes and buildings is in discussion by the county and the businesses. Reach out to the government to provide more services for the elderly and people with physical and mental disabilities. Ask them to better disperse taxes and salaries to improve the aging and ailing community of Lanark. Using the research proposal and the interviews and videos, organize meetings starting with municipalities, then provincial government representatives, and so on, to the federal government representatives in order to get their engagement in the solution of providing housing in Lanark County. Prioritizing existing housing to local, low-income individuals and families and those who are on the waiting lists over those from out of the region. Get realtors involved by offering publicity and videos and dealings with outsiders. Once the research proposal is complete, housing can be established according to needs. We could follow through with this campaign because I believe that people are inherently good. Once they feel like they can be a part of something meaningful, they will participate and be encouraged to be a part of their community in a unique way, by doing something selfless and by gaining knowledge about Lanark County.